Hi, everybody. I'm Aubrey Spears, Customer Success Manager here at PourMyBeer. Thank you for joining us for our fourth and final session of our Master Tech series, All Things Untappd. I'd like to introduce my co-host, Calvin Winningham, Customer Support Tech here at PourMyBeer. I will start today's session by giving you a general overview of Untappd's features. Calvin will then review our integration on Untappd, and we will have a question and answer section at the end. If anybody has questions, please type those questions in the chat and we will call on you at the end of the session. Let's get started. Untappd is a way to socially share the brews you are enjoying, an easy way to find where your favorite beers are on tap, then rate them and share them on their mobile app. Why is Untappd beneficial for your business? First of all, Untappd has the largest online beer community. Secondly, it's a way to digitally showcase your tap selection. And most importantly, it's the easiest way for you to update your product database on your PourMyBeer system. Other key features of Untappd, their database has over 3 million beers to quickly build your menu and publish to your website, digital menus, Facebook, and on the Untappd app. Your beer menus and events are published to millions of beer enthusiasts. You can maximize your inventory visibility online to drive new customers to your venue. You can create a safe environment for your customers and staff with well-designed custom contactless print digital menus with QR codes. Untappd also provides analytics to help make data-driven decisions. You can also keep your customers up to date by publishing to Untappd, Twitter, and Facebook. I'd like to show you Tapster Seattle. They have Untappd and show their beer selection above their tap wall. You can easily request a demo and a free 30-day trial by going to untappd.com. You also get 1 month free when you mention you're a PourMyBeer customer. Now that you know the perks of Untappd's platform, let's move on to the integration and the back end of things. Take it away, Calvin.
Thanks, Aubrey. Hey, my name is Calvin. I am a support tech here at PourMyBeer. And I'm just going to be going over the Untappd for Business integration with PourMyBeer. The first step that you'll need to take is go ahead and contact our support. We'll need to get the integration manager installed on your server. This is a seamless process. It won't present any downtime, and it's a fairly quick and painless process. Go ahead and contact support, and we'll be able to help you out with getting that integration manager installed. The other key component that you'll need is an Untappd for Business account. There is a difference between kind of just a general social account and the Untappd for Business account. The Untappd for Business account does actually cost a monthly fee. I don't have those on hand, but it's definitely something that you could contact Untappd and discuss with them. As Aubrey said, you will get 1 month free if you mention you're with PourMyBeer, and they also have a 30-day free trial. So once you've got your Untappd for Business account, that'll give you your API token, your read-only API token. This is found in your settings of your account. This and your email are really the only two things that we need to set up the integration. Following that, you will need to build out some menus. So menus, you can have menus, sub-menus, you can organize it however you'd like. Creation of a menu is pretty easy. You just go ahead and put in a menu name and a description, and you've got your menu created. We can integrate with menus that are public as well as ones that are hidden. So if you have a menu that you want to use to pull beers in, but you don't necessarily want to display it to the public, that's an option as well. So in order for any beer to be imported into your PourMyBeer database, it does need a container size as well as a price. The container size that we always use, you can see at the bottom here, we've got the 1 ounce size with a 50 cents price. That's a good example of something you'll need to do before that data can be imported into your database. So again, you'll need to set a container size as well as a price for that container size. And in general, we always do that 1 ounce size. So the nice thing is that Untappd has all the names, descriptions, ABV, IBU, calories. It has all this information, and it's all just openly accessible to you, and it will all import into your database. This takes out all of the manual having to go into the product database, enter all of this, find an image, maybe edit an image if you have to, if you want it to make it look good. This will go ahead and just do all of that for you and import it directly into your database. One of the only things that you'll really have to mess with or consider messing with would be product sync frequency. This is how often the syncing tool looks at your Untappd and your product database and looks for discrepancies in those. It'll go ahead and pull in any missing beers at that point. So in this example, we've got about a 1 minute product sync frequency. And generally, I think we leave it on the default, which is about every 5 minutes or so, and seems to work pretty well. But you can have it from anywhere from 1 minute to an hour. It's really up to you. But other than that, that's pretty much the integration. So again, you'll need to get an Untappd for Business account. You'll need to make sure that you've got menus created. Once you add beers to those menus, they'll import directly into your database using this syncer tool that we've got running in the background. It's all pretty seamless and painless.
If any future questions come up, feel free to contact our support team or me directly at aubrey@PourMyBeer.com. Thank you all for joining us today. Don't forget to join our Facebook family group if you haven't already. It's for PourMyBeer owners and operators. We'd love to have you join. Thanks again for your time, and we'll talk to you all again soon.